Sweet potatoes are the easiest fall crop to grow. And hopefully you remember seeing my infinite sweet potato hack. But if you don't remember, sweet potatoes are grown basically from vines. The technical name is slips. And the easiest way to get you some slips is to leave your sweet potatoes alone for a few months. So when you forget about them a few months, this is what they should look like. Then just take you some of these slips off and stick them right in water. So come with me and let's plant some. Go ahead and grab you one of my famous containers, because we're growing sweet potatoes in these things. Now what we want to do is mix up our soil. Then we got to give it a good soaking in. Then what we're going to do is take 3 of these slips out. And these roots are ready to be planted. Go ahead and take those 3 sweet potato slips and make sure those roots are submerged underneath the dirt. And you want to make sure they're spaced out pretty evenly. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and water these things back in. And you need to make sure they get real wet. And do this with as many containers as you want, but just make sure you get these harvested before the first frost or after 120 days, whichever comes first.